This overview will guide you through the process of managing, modifying, and creating users within your Xvantage account. Only users with administrator privileges are able to perform the functions outlined in this video. To begin, log into your Xvantage account using the credentials provided to you. In the top right corner of the page, click on the user icon to expand the user menu. In the user drop-down, you will see the Account Settings menu item. Click on Account Settings. The default tab in Account Settings is your individual profile information. If you are an administrator, you will see a tab along the top row called Manage Users. If you do not see the Manage Users option, you do not have administrator permissions and are not able to manage other users on your account. Click on Manage Users to open up the User Management screen for your account. Within the User Management tab, you will be able to see all users on your account. Within this screen, you can perform the following functions. Enable and disabling users using the Active User toggle. Edit users using the pencil icon. Delete users using the bin icon. Add new users, using the Add New User button above the user list. Click on the Add New User button. Before we add our new user, it is not recommended to create shared logins as all user accounts require two-factor authentication. We strongly recommend each user have their own login for security and audit trail purposes. To begin with, fill out the mandatory fields such as first and last name, email, and username. Whilst mobile and office phone numbers are not mandatory, we recommend you enter this information if available. Once the initial mandatory fields are completed, we now need to set permissions for our new user. We have conveniently provided several predefined profiles for permissions which you can choose from. In practice, most customers choose all permissions and then toggle off any individual permissions they want to exclude this user from. Please note that you will not be able to create administrator users or modify existing administrator users. Only Ingram Micro account maintenance associates can create, modify, and delete administrator users. Once you have selected the permissions you want this user to have, click the Save button. Once the user is saved, the user will receive their login credentials via email automatically. You can locate the user you just created using the search field on the user management screen. If you want to reset the password for a specific user, you can do this by clicking on the pencil icon next to the user. This will open up the Edit User screen where you can click the Reset Password button. Once you trigger a password reset, the user will receive an automated email with a temporary password. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please reach out to our support team or your relationship manager.